So let's say first questions. So we had to find the value of x, and then finding the value of x, we had to find the value of x, and then from here the value of x is it will be very easy. You just have to make the base be the same. So for you to be able to make the base the same, you have to make sure you split this 25 into 5 raised to the power of something. So here we have 5 power x minus 1, and then the next thing we will have 5 to the power of what? 2. This will give you 25, right? And then from here we can say, by looking the base, since we have the same base, then we can compare the powers. Then we can say x minus 1 will be equal to 2. Since we have the same base, we can compare the powers. Then we can say x is equal to 3. We can shift this one to the what? To the right hand side. You can say 2 plus the 1, which is equal to 3. So x should be equal to 3. And then you can what? You can verify it by plugging the value of x to the above equation. Then we can say 5 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to what? 25. Then 5 raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, which is what? 25. Then 25 is equal to what? 25. It's fraction. Simplified. You have to simplify 3 by 4 of 4, 3 by 4 of 4 by 9 of 4 by 9 additions. We'll convert this to multiplication. It's very easy. So here is a fraction. We have to simplify it. So from here we can say 3 by 4. This of is going to be equal to multiplication, which is 4 by 9 times, and then divided by 9 number 1 over 2. 9 number, we can say 9 times 2, which is what? 18 plus 1, 19, then 19 by 2. So from here we can also substitute this division to convert the division to multiplication by changing the denominator to numerator. Then we can say 3 by 4 times 4 by 9, then multiply by this 2 will be off, then we say multiply by, okay, sorry, then we can say these 2 will be at the numerator since we substitute this division. So we can say 2 by 19. So from here is just multiplication. We add, maybe if we like, we can to multiply all the numerator and then at the same time denominator. So by now, from here we can say 3 here into 9. 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 9 is what? It will be 3. And then 2 into 2 is going to be equal to 1. And then 2 into 4 is going to be equal to 2. Then from here we have 1 over 2, then times 4 over 3 times 1 over what? 19. So from here, if we like, we can multiply it, or we can still reduce it. Here 2 into 4 is 2. Then we can also say 2 times 1 all over what? 1 times 3 times what? 19. From here is very easy. You can just multiply it. You can say 2 times 1 times 1, which is 2, and then 3 times 9 is 27. So the answer is going to be equal to what? 3 by 27. And then the next question is making subject of the formula. The question is x plus 9z all over 7x is equal to 4y minus 6m all over 2. So this is to just make z to be subject of the formula. We have to find this z. I mean, it's very easy. Firstly, we have to cross multiply. Here is 9. So what we need to do is to cross multiply the equation. We have to make z to be subject of the formula. We have to find the z. So it's very easy. We just cross multiply. Then we can say 2 into this one, which is x plus 9z, and then it's equal to 7x times this one, which is 4y minus 6m. So from here we can expand the bracket. We can say 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 2 times 9z, which is 18z, is equal to 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is this 14 times 14, so 14 plus 14, which is 28. 28xy, then minus 7 times 6. Who can help me to, let me open the comment section so that you guys can help me for the, let's say, multiplication. But it's easy. Let's say 7 times 6, 7 times 2 is 14, times 4 is 28, then 28 times let me just calculate it. I start forgetting this multiplication. Let's see, 14, and then 14. Then we have 4, 12. We have 1 here, 3 plus 1, which is 42. So we have 42 xm. So our target here is to find the z, if you could remember. Then we can say 2x plus 18 z is equal to 28xy minus 42 xm. Then from here also we can factor out the z, I mean the x, since we have x in common, or we can leave it. We can first shift these 2x to the right hand side, like we can collect like time. Then we can say 18z is equal to 28xy minus 42xm minus 2x. Then from here is very easy. If we like, we can just divide it by 18, and then we find the z divided by 18. Then we have z is equal to 28xy minus 42 xm minus 2x all over 18. So this is the right answer, and this is the value of z. So it's very easy. So I have the device, I have everything. So I'm going to configure my computer. As you see, I have computer, I have the stylus pen. I will be doing it in the stylus pen and everything. But now just trying to, I'm trying to practice this on the paper before I will start doing it in the computer. So thank you for now. I will be back shortly. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your support. I'll be back. Thank you.